Okay, this video is going to be about Mexico being devastated by catastrophic rains. The Mexican authorities are searching for dozens of missing people and struggling to supply aid to thousands more who were caught off guard by torrential rains. Officials said on Monday that 64 people were deceased and 65 were missing across 5 affected states near the Gulf of Mexico. The toll is expected to increase as search and rescue teams continue to reach areas cut off by landslides. President Claudia Sheinbaum said on Monday that her administration estimated that roughly 100,000 homes were affected by flooding and landslides. Dozens of communities are cut off and food and water would have to be flown in. We hope and pray that all of that stops and gets fixed soon. I am sorry about Mexico's rains. It seems like a lot of places are getting that. I have a video about Alaska too, but yeah. So there's what's going on in Mexico right now.